Let's read it this one. Okay, we read it here. No, what's going on? Okay, bananas. Why? Okay. Let's just read it this one. Okay.
This will be quick work. Brandon
Banana.
thought no one wants faster than me. How did the ship shot away from the huge
Mothership. Okay, a big ship. Mothership.
slimy
Good.
Slimy.
slimy
Slimy.
slimy
Slimy.
slimy
Okay, mothership. A ship serves the smaller. Mother. Okay.
a large ship or
Spaceship.
that
Sends
sends out boats or smaller
spaceships
or
to explore, do scientific research. That's called mothership.
other ship.
Okay. So no one is faster than me. Her little ship shot away from the huge.
Other ship soon all that she could see was the enormous
Good. Planet shiny.
shiny and its hundreds of little moons. Now she just had to find
Mag gold.
God
Mag means a big out.
Brandon
Banana.
pronouncenames.com.
Beja.
Baya.
Pia
Beja.
Pia
Beja.
Baya. Okay, it's a Spanish. Baya. Baya. Okay.
Bea knew that her job was especially important today. The mothership used
Mega.
gold to power its kitchens, and it was running out without it, and everyone would be stuck eating tasteless
Okay, no taste. Taste.
food. Gulp.
What is that? Taste the food. Good. What is this?
Goop.
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 What is this? Sticky substance. Okay. Sticky thing. Okay. Goop.
A sticky or
Greasy substance.
substance.
Okay.
I stepped on in the some goop.
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 Okay, goop. I think that's goop. 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 Goo. Okay. Sticky substance. Okay. And everyone would be stuck eating tasteless food.
Goop. And
Bear.
bear steered her ship between the moons, zooming past each one, but Banner
Bear.
couldn't find gold anywhere after passing several more moons with no luck. She started sweating it over. Never took this long. It never took this long to finish her scouting
Good.
work.
Scouting, trying to find something. Here means try.
Her eyes burned from staring into the endless black moon. Every moon looked the same, tired and grumpy. She called her friend Luna. Luna appeared on Banner's screen.
Bear.
Said Luna. Her
Curly. Not straight. Curly.
dark hair
Bouncing.
bouncy. How's it going out there? Bad, said Banner.
Bear. But you should say pronounce as bear.
Beia.
Bear.
Beia. Beia.
Bear. Okay. Bad, said
Bear. I can't find gold anywhere. I don't want to do this anymore. You should give up.
immediately.
Immediately, and come home. Food.
Goop. 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 Goop.
For goop isn't so bad, said Luna. Bella's mouth hung open. She hadn't expected that.
Okay, I don't know how to say this word. What's the
Coop.
Goop.
Coop.
Goop.
Coop.
Goop.
Coop. A sticky or
greasy
greasy
substance?
I step in some goop.
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 Ew.
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 Ew. Used to
Express disgust.
disgust at something.
Okay,
Ew.
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 Ew. That. What's that smell?
Ew.
Ew. Brandos. Ew. No, she cried. How says you? So you don't want to give up? Asked Luna, smiling. Brenda sighed. Baya sighed. No, I don't. No, I know I can do it. I just need to look harder. She admitted. Go, Brenda. Baba.
Yeah. Bella. Bella.
Do we have the correct pronunciation?
Bella.
Terry. Go, Bella. Go, said Luna, daring a little dance before she now ended the card. Bella took off, moving more slowly through the shadows
good.
of the moons. Soon she spotted a flashy of light near one of the largest moons. Bella
Squinted. I think a close eye look something. Yeah, like that. What's that?
Ew.
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 Ew. Ew. Was that smell?
Squint.
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 Okay, squint. Did here.
Look. Oh.
Peel.
With eyes partly closed.
Okay, partly closed. So he can look clear like that, right? Partly closed. Okay, let's stop here.